This is Maiduguri after the flooding of September 10th. Areas badly affected by the floods are Shehuri South, Custom Area, Kalari, 505 Housing Estate, College of Agric, Abachua, Moromoro, and Old Maiduguri. According to the authorities, over 2 million people are affected and thousands were displaced. Parents and children were camping in places with few or no latrine and lack of safe drinking water. Several government and humanitarian organizations trooped the city and provided essential services such as water, food items, and clothes, but there were growing concerns over disease outbreak in Maiduguri. Controlling the aftermath of the flood through recovery and mitigation efforts to ensure that the state become resilient to the affected climate change and other environmental hazards, the Nigerian Minister of Environment directed all agencies under him to mobilize resources and technical support to assist Borno State government in addressing the environmental challenges posed by the flood. Assessing the impact of the devastating flood, especially issues of public health, ensuring safety of animals rescued from the Maiduguri Zoo, sampling and analyzing water and soil, chlorination of houses and water sources was the main task given to the agencies by the Honorable Minister. Pollution Control and Environmental Health Department, Agroclimatic Resilience in Semi-Arid Landscapes ACRISAL, Environmental Health Council of Nigeria, New Map EIB, and the National Park Service team were all in Maiduguri, working tirelessly with the Borno State government. These are the Environmental Health Council team who are at the forefront, restoring sanitation, preventing water contamination, and ensuring hygiene environments in all affected areas. The council trained 300 environmental health officers within Maiduguri to effective delivery.
As you can see, all of us here are environmental health trained personnel, and we are here to host the practitioners that we trained last week by the Environmental Health Officers Registration Council of Nigeria, who went into the household for disinfection of the affected areas by the flooding, and then to give health talk as in preventive measures of the aftermath of the flooding that happens in Maiduguri.
The Agroclimatic Resilience in Semi-Arid Landscape ACRISAL is already implementing project on erosion and flood control. ACRISAL team are also in Maiduguri, developing a comprehensive flood mitigation strategies and early warning mechanism to safeguard against future reoccurrences. Our team visited Sandakarimi Park, where we saw how the National Park Service team did a commendable job. Part of it was the relocation of the elephant, securing of some animals, and providing veterinary services in the zoo.
Whatever happens affect this zoo, affect us directly or indirectly, because we are partners in progress.
Most of the animals that we lost, we have started working on how we can upgrade the zoo again and solicit for support from our Federal Ministry of Environment through the National Park on how they can assist us with some of the animals that we have lost.
Before the flooding, the Nigerian Erosion and Watershed Management Project New Map EIB is already intervening to prevent and reverse land degradation in the state. New Map team were in Maiduguri, working closely with the state government in its effort of containing erosion and deforestation after the flooding. Several pollution control officers were posted here in Maiduguri from the ministry. They have successfully fumigated hospitals, correctional services quarters, fire service quarters, and parts of Gwenge and Shehuri wards. Empowering communities to combat land degradation, enhance food security, and build resilience to climate change is what the Great Green Wall Agency is doing in Maiduguri. Currently, the National Agency for the Great Green Wall under Saleh Abubakar is working towards supporting affected communities with alternative livelihood to diversify their income, reducing pressure on the land resources, and curtailment of social unrest. It is a performance assessment tour tracking the minister's promises to the good people of Maiduguri, and his promises are indeed fulfilling.